gold. Hypnosis of humanity is old, old, old. Golden days had gone when we discovered gold. Golden days had gone when we charged for gold. Money ended harmony, and we began to fight. Money started slavery, holding us that tight. Gold, gold, gold. Hypnosis of humanity is old, old, old. The radiance of gold blinded your very eyes. The radiance of gold led you into lies. Yet golden days will come again when we step down the golden throne. Yes, golden days will come again as we no longer need alone. Gold, gold, gold. Hypnosis of humanity is old, old, old. For richness is not a code when we fill our hearts with gold. Inner richness will result when we fill our hearts with gold. The gold of love is priceless, a treasure so precious. The gold of love is by all no less than all of outer richness. Gold, hypnosis of humanity is old, old.